difficult situation.
Not a lot of space.
We want to lay down?
Oh.
Let's lay down a little bit.
Lay down? Might be easier. Oh. Wait. Oh my god.
Turn that light off.
There you go. Oh, it's better.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wait. It's not so comfortable. There you go.
Okay.
But I'm just gonna keep my head like that.
I'm holding your head.
Oh, yeah?
Okay.
We just wanted to say hello.
Hey guys.
Show you our new room.
Our fancy room.
But we've actually liked it. I think
It's comfortable. It's first class. It doesn't look like first class, but
Yeah.
it's first class.
It's a little different type of first class. But we have a bed. We have a bunk bed. I'll sleep on top tonight.
Yeah, because it's colder up there.
It's much
and
colder.
It's hot down here.
You said you were fine with it. You want to sleep on top?
I just wanted to.
You want to sleep? Do you sleep
I'm
up there?
kidding. You can.
Oh.
You can sleep
Yeah,
up
because
there.
it's really hot in here.
It is hot. No, but I think it's because we're like together. So
Doesn't body heat.
yeah.
But we got, so it's 17 hours. We realized we could get free food. We didn't know we could get free food.
We didn't know, so we ordered the
cheapest thing.
meal.
And then the lady was like, oh yeah, it's free. I'm like, what?
What?
Why didn't I get that $32 one?
Yeah, we got a $16 one.
And then, so it's kind of early. It's like 10 p.m. We've already had dinner.
Yes. And we're heading to San Francisco.
Yep.
Good?
And we'll get there like at 8:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
So we get a breakfast, and then we're gonna order a lot.
What time do we get off the train?
So we have breakfast at 6:30, and I think we get off at 8:20.
Okay.
And then we will go
we
to
get
the
a bus,
embassy.
yeah.
We get the bus, and then go to the embassy, and then we check into our Airbnb, and then
Then we are free.
yeah, we're free that day, and then we'll probably record the next one day.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we just want to say hello.
But
Oh,
this is an interesting experience.
Oh.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Just bad.
We don't have a lot of space.
We don't. We're learning that we're kind of big. All right. Let's
Okay.
get to bed.
Good night, everyone.
Good night. Thank you all again.
Bye-bye.
See you Tuesday.
See ya.